Today we are going to discuss classification of threats and attacks. Okay, so in last lecture we are already discussed that the information is the main vital part of the system or any organization, because that information is unauthorizedly accessed by any user or hacker, so that might be a huge loss to that organization. Okay, so the security is concerned with ensuring legitimate use, maintaining confidentiality, data integrity, and auditing in the network. The security management involves identifying the assets, threats, vulnerabilities, and taking protective measures, which, if not done, may lead to unintended use of competing systems. Network security threats, active threats and passive threats, interruption availability, modification integrity, and fabrication authenticity. So these are the types of active threats. And passive threats: exposing confidential information, traffic analysis. Now we will discuss the types of a classification of threats and attacks, that are types of a attack. First, passive attack, and there are last one is active attack. So passive attacks, okay, so what is attack? The attacks on the network can breach the security of data and resources over the network. So there are two types of attacks which are available, that are passive attack and active attack. So the passive attack, it refers to the types of attack in which the attacker does not intend to cause any harm to the network. He or she just monitor, analyzes, or observe the information available over the network. For example, the name of the attacker is not alter the message. However, he or she just read the message. In passive attack, attacker observe the information for which he or she does not have access right. So in passive attack, the attacker act as only space holder. He monitor that information, analyze that information, but not modified or alter that message. Okay, so in passive attack, there are three types which are available: brute force attack, algebraic attack, and code book attack. So brute force attack is, it break the encryption of data by finding the appropriate key. Second one, algebraic attack. It refer to the type of attack in which you can write a cipher as a system equation. After writing a cipher, you can read it by using an appropriate key. Third, code book attack. It refers to a technique for cryptanalysis. The attacker tries to build a code book in which an attacker describes the ciphertext and its corresponding plain text. Now last one is active attack. That is another type of a attack. It refers to the attack in which the attacker is aware of the attack. Okay, so that attacker knows what information, what message we have to alter. In active attack, the attacker tries to steal information from the network. In addition, the attacker can create, delete, alter, modify, and replace a message. So these are the few things which are related to the classification of threats and attacks. So there are two types of attack which are available, that are passive attack and active attack. First, passive attack, which is divided into three types: brute force, algebraic, and code book attack. And next one is active attack, in which it, in passive attack, the hacker only monitor the information, but in active attack, the hacker modify that information. Okay, thank you. These are the things which are related to the classification of threats and attack. In next lecture we are going to discuss the information classification and what are the role of the information authority. Okay, thank you.